Hello guys, so for today, I'll teach you how to fix this kind of error, okay? So, uneven panels. So, so all we need to do is to just move the base and just cut out this panel. So how do we do that? Select the base first. So, let's delete this extra panels first. Okay, so again, and just add a dot and move. So basically that is it. And okay. And for this one, all we need to do is to just cut also using the T tool, like so, delete, and lastly, all we need to do is to just fill the panel. Okay, let's try to fill this one first using S tool. Next, okay. Okay, so for panels that won't snap, we can use the O tool or sorry, I mean the N. Okay, N is for set constraint, if I'm correct. Yeah, set constraint. So to use N, press N first to enter N mode. Select the area that you want to be anchored or that you want to connect with. So here O. When using set constraint, guys, I notice it's kind of hard if you're on 3D mode. So use the normal mode, 2D. Press N, press O. Let's look for the dot. Okay, this one. Y. Y and then snap. Okay, so we have snap with this um, panel. So again, so make sure you always use circle or O on the panel or on the area that you want to snap with. So O, look for the dot, this one, Y, Y, and then press space. Okay, so group, and then let's try to use autofix for this purple panel. For this slight error or slight misalignment, you can just use N. Okay, M mode. So press M to adjust, and this one also. Just slight adjustment. And basically that is it. So all we just need to capture this one, this extension. So again, guys, you can use the let's try to use the what do you call this? The assist line method. So first we need to do this top assist line and then this one. So when drawing the bottom panel, make sure that you don't snap with the wall. Okay, so like so, and use the let's capture secondary and dependent. Okay, because it has what you call this pillars below. So group, and then let's do auto fix. Okay, so yeah, and lastly, add the okay. Yeah, okay. So auto fix. I mean, let's draw the corner. Again, guys, when using when drawing your corners, I suggest you look for views that has similar orientation. So like so, see, it's much easier. So let's draw the corner. I group, and then lastly use autofix. Let's try to check our final result. Alt R, and let's see. So it should look like this, this one. Okay, so basically that is it. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching.